Hi guys! Ew. Why am I like this? Hey guys! Alright, for real. Okay. Hi guys! It's your favorite introvert, and I'm back! So, alright. Now, this video is probably gonna be a two-part. Jax, I don't want to hear you. This is probably going to be a two-part video. I went camping for 6 days, my first time camping, last month. I've been trying to edit this video forever. It keeps getting deleted, which is why I'm doing it in parts, because I just edited the shit out of this video and I don't feel like losing it. So I'm going to just end it where I ended it. And then I'm just gonna upload part 2, which will be like the, more fun part. Like we went fishing, swimming, all shit like that. This first couple of days we just like set up camp. My friend had court. My two friends had court because they went camping like a month before that and got arrested and had to go back up for court. So that was our excuse to go back up there to go camping. So boom. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna probably do a little bit of voiceover throughout the video. There's not gonna be an intro because I'm shooting this on my old iPhone, like 6 or 7, whatever the fuck this is. And I don't have any space. So these camping videos are gonna be kind of trash. But my next videos after that, I'm gonna be shooting with this. So my videos are gonna be better. So just bear with me and enjoy the show. Oh, and this is my game room and I'm painting it, so that's why it looks like that. Mind your business, okay? Yes, I changed my shirt already. Also, I went camping with my best friend Sam, his dad Bill, our friend Fender, Poe, and Fender's dog Shadow. That's gonna be the black dog you see. Fender and Poe camped at we camped at a campground, Dew Drop Campground. Fender and Poe and the dog just looked on Google Maps and found, I'm not this sweaty, it's just the light and, my skin. They found just like a random spot in the woods, and they actually ended up having to come to our campsite because a bear ran them out of their campground. But I'll tell that on the part 2 story. So yeah, that's who I was there with. Those are the guys. Boom. Let me show how cool this is. Oh, we can't even. Oh. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Fight!
Look at my dial.
Rest that. The 5th already.
It's not the 5th.
It's the 3rd.
It's like the 2nd and maybe the 3rd pit stop.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Nothing to see here, people. Nothing to see here.
The destination is on your left. Dew Drop Campground. Arrived.
I don't know if anybody's in there or not.
Hello.
If you have reservations, go to your sub.
This is the campsite. This building is so pretty.
No, smile for picture. Say.
Stop. Yo, right after I ate that burger, I was sitting there talking to them about how I don't like my shit well done and how I need a little bit of pink in the middle, and that's where the flavor is. Why, like an hour later, I threw up. I'm outside talking to Sam. All of a sudden, I'm like, He's like, are you okay? I'm like, I got really hot. I got really sweaty. I didn't drink that much. The only thing different was the meat. And I know it was the meat. So we were outside the hotel. We go up, go to the elevator. We're on the 3rd floor. I'm like, all right, I can make it to the 3rd floor, but I'm definitely going to puke when we get up there. Somebody gets on the elevator. He's going to floor 2. So I'm on the elevator. It's going up. I'm just like, Dude gets off at 2. Go up to 3. As soon as the doors open, I had a cup in my hand. I fucking threw up in the cup, and it like, it was bad. It was bad. So I threw up in the elevator. Look at this pothead. What are you doing? I tried to put in a clip of Ace Ventura Pet Detective here, but it wouldn't let me. Making a video for my YouTube. What day is it?
Guess what day it is? Huh? Anybody? Julie, hey, guess what day it is? Oh, come on, I know you can hear me. Mike. What day is it, Mike? Leslie, guess what today is?
It's hump day.
Wednesday?
Woo-hoo!
What are we on, Wednesday? Wednesday morning? We just left Duncan. Worst experience of my life. Got these guys. So, yeah. This one has court.
Yeah, dude.
This morning. That's what we're gonna do. But it's like 7 in the morning. So, probably gonna smoke. And then I'm probably gonna get in the pool. I don't know what he's gonna do.
Yeah, do I get high before court? Is that like...
I feel like you should
smart?
probably get... Yeah, you can get high. You get high now, you'll be good by 1.
Drugs are bad. You shouldn't do drugs. If you do them, you're bad. Because drugs are bad, okay? It's a bad thing to do drugs, so don't be bad by doing drugs, okay? That'd be bad.
So, yeah. Check back in later. Sorry. This hill.
Fuck this hill.
Made it to the top. Whew. Okay. So this is when we realized that there's steps, like there's a sidewalk, and we're idiots.
Have you heard any of Johnny Dunn's rapping?
Can't say that I have.
You're better off not. Yeah.
Wait, who is he?
Johnny Dunn. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing?
Minding my business. What
Yeah, yeah, what you doing? Who you videotaping, eh?
Not you.
Yeah.
Back at the hotel, waiting for the elevator. Lord Dos.
Trace.
Trace.
Stupido.
Ooh, estúpido.
Sí. Ese vasito te cabracito.
You didn't say nothing just now. Say it again. Say it again.
Champion.
Speaking gibberish. Today's court fence. Going to court for Sam.
Fight.
What should I be doing? Alright, sounds good. Alright, gonna start unpacking and come back in a little bit. So right after I unpacked, we went over to our friend's camp, then went off the grid. This is it right here. The clips up into the dog is our friend's camp site. Corn and potatoes. Camp. It's dark.
Keep an eye on these steaks.
Yeah,
How
they
about
don't.
that?
They.
Say what you don't have. Oh, maybe they do. You got marshmallows?
Video. Dinner.
Steak.
Steak dinner. Steak, potatoes, and corn. Oh wait.
Yeah, get out of here with that clown shit.
He's hating.
Ain't nobody hating.
Hating.
Hating. What is that?
It's called a ring light. Mind blown.
Yeah, where you get that at?
Amazon. So yeah, we just ate and lots of smoke a doke. On our way down to the water. Bill's just so chill.
Water. Not water.
He said it's water, not water. No. The concentration. Look at that guy.
Yeah, boy. Well, we can end it before that last one.
Bitch, you guessed it!
Just did a Walmart run to get some food for breakfast and some other stuff, and it started to rain, but got this.
Giving that candle, we were burning one wick at a time.
Yeah.
And the moths fly by and
He's too excited. Sit.
yep, fall right in.
Come on, sit. Yeah.
There's moths.
Come on.
You know, to me, I
His
worry
head
about
is like twice the
bees
size
and
of Caden's head.
Yo, that head is, that's a
Big.
big head.
That's what she said.
That's what she said. Sam, look at me. It's July 16th at 5:35 p.m. We just ate breakfast. We had, I'll insert a picture of what I made, but eggs, bacon, English muffin, asparagus, strawberries, and some orange juice. We're gonna go out. We went out to the little lake over there, but we can't swim in there, so it was a nice view. Looked at the mountains. I'll insert a video of that too. It was really cute. Then it started raining. We went to Walmart, got some food, and then it started raining. So we're not gonna go hiking because it's probably gonna rain. So our other friends are camped somewhere else, but not at a campground. They just went off the grid. They're gonna come over, bring some food. We're gonna cook, play some games, gamble, drink, smoke, and then maybe do some night fishing if it stops raining. But we'll see. So that's what's going on so far. And I'll be back when something else happens.